Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, family. Here at Crypto Tro, I am Crypto Tro. And if you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I always, keep you updated on the latest and the greatest for beginners in cryptocurrency. So, like I said, if you haven't, hit that like and subscribe button. And today we're going to get straight into it. So today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why staking your money in cryptocurrencies is better than saving your money in a bank's savings account. So we already know banks, the big game that banks play, they store our money, pretty much charging us to store our money and charge us with fees and different things of that nature. So we know banks make so much money off of us, but what do they give back to us? And I feel like cryptos will level that playing field just by what they offer in staking and how you can earn an annual percentage on your money right now. So the first reason why crypto staking is saving your money in a bank account is the fees. So we already know if I was to store my money in a bank savings account, I only could withdraw my money without getting charged maybe 3 times a month, or it just varies amongst banks. But I know the bank that I'm currently with, you can take out your money out of savings account 3 times a month without getting charged. And I feel like it's kind of crazy and funny that you know the bank much charges us to store our money. They're storing our money, they're protecting our money. Yes, I'm not saying uh do it for free, but the amounts that they charge regular people are tremendous. And we start to see where they charge you excessive withdrawal fee, and also charge you, say for instance, someone who is, middle class or lower class are gonna save up to buy something. Well, say for instance they need to get all of their money out. Well, if they withdraw all of their money, then the bank charges you, for taking all of the money out the account. I know some banks, it just varies amongst banks, but banks can, they are trying to profit off of the people. But with cryptocurrencies, it is a holding fee. So say if I were to stake something like USDC, it might be a 2 week holding fee, it might be a month holding fee. But when I withdraw it, most and some, pretty much most exchanges, they charge you little to nothing to withdraw your money. So it's already beating banks just by the fees, and not charging you tremendous amounts, especially as regular everyday people. We can't afford the fees that banks try to charge us, but they know this, but they still take advantage. Well, with cryptos, that levels the playing field, and we get to keep more money and keep it to ourselves. The second reason, transparency. So we know with cryptos what they pretty much doing with our money. They're either creating liquidity or lending it out, because you can lend crypto based on collateral. So we know, it's a risk to it, but we know the risk. We know if you read, you do your homework, you will know the risk to pretty much having your money in this account. But with banks, they try to hide it. They don't be, out in the open, just pretty much letting the people know, like, yes, we use your money to make more money. That's what they use our money to make more money, trade, whether they be in the foreign exchange market, whatever the case may be. They use our money to make more money and charge us to hold our money, and we don't just get anything from it. It should be a beneficial relationship on both parties, not just one sided. And right now, the banks are one sided. So the third and final reason, the juicy returns, man. The returns are amazing. So just let's take for example DC. It's a stable coin, so it's gonna stay at $1. For people who want to invest, but kind of maybe want to take less risk. Not they don't like the volatility of cryptocurrency right now. So you can just put it in a stable coin. It's just like having a dollar, right? So let's say for instance right now the Voyager app. So on Voyager you can make 9% a year just by staking your money in USDC. And like I said, USDC is a stable coin, so it will stay at a dollar. It will pretty much stay at a dollar, and you can see your money grow over time. And just by holding your money in a savings account in crypto, or staking your money rather, on the Voyager app. And we can see also we can see on the crypto.com app, you can make 10%, excuse me, you can make 10%, I mean, not 10%, 12% actually on USDC. And if you were to stake $7,000, then you will make $840 within that year. That's already beating the banks. If you was to put that same $7,000 in a bank account, you probably would make less than, I don't know, $3, something around there. I'm just doing the math in my head. I know it's less than 1% though you make in a bank's savings account. That's the average. It's less than 1%. And that's crazy because all of these tools and instruments that are coming out in the crypto space that will allow you to make way more than 1%. We're, like I said, on crypto.com you're making 12%, on Voyager you're making 9%. So that's why I believe staking your money is way better than having your money in a savings account in a traditional bank. And this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. This is just one of my sessions where I just speak my mind and just speak pretty much where I believe the future is going, because it's the future. And the rates might not stay, they will not stay as high as more people come into them, because that's just a part of it. But right now we're getting great returns on stable coins, and you can just save your money. That's pretty much my game plan. As far as because the bull market is far from over. When the bull market reaches its peak, in which I believe will be later on this year, I'm gonna take partial profits out and put it in the stable coin and just let my money make money until I find better positions, or positions I like in other crypto currencies. So this my video for today on Crypto Tro. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if I added value to you today. I appreciate everybody who's been tuned in, man. I'm feeling real good. We are at 104 subscribers right now. And this channel like 2 months ago. I appreciate it, I swear, because I don't even like talking on camera, but I felt like, man, this has to be documented. The journey has to be documented, and we will look back 10 years from now, just really see this footage and be like, man, I remember we were talking about staking years ago, and it will be a beautiful tomorrow, a beautiful future. So like I said, I'm Crypto Tro. I'm out of here today.